So I'm in Copenhagen to work on Startup Weekend, start the planning Startup Weekend in April. So Startup Weekend was basically a Friday to Sunday event, 54 hours, and people pitch ideas. Entrepreneurs come on Friday, they pitch ideas. We choose the top 10% of ideas on the spot, form teams around them, and build prototypes that we demo on Sunday. And in the past, we've had startups that have had customers as early as Saturday, and startups that have, for example, Microsoft was a customer of one startup on Sunday evening for $7,000. So it's amazing to see teams get that much traction that early on. It's really fun. Mostly it's Web 2.0. Teams that generally come out are normally Web 2.0 type products. A lot of working on APIs, Twitter API, PayPal API, doing mashups with various things. TwitPay would be an example. Food spotting would be an example, which is similar to Foursquare. Scribbit is another really successful Startup Weekend company. So, but it's kind of across the board. From we've even had a pillow company come out. So we don't insist that it be Web 2.0 or tech, but given the resources at everyone's disposal during the weekend, most of the ideas are tech focused. So it's an interesting mix. We shoot for as many developers as we can get. First and foremost, that's really helpful in building demos by Sunday. And then we have business development folks, marketing people, attorneys, I'm missing a group here, designers, people doing PR initiatives, social media outreach, so blogging and tweeting and just trying to create as much buzz as possible about the event and about the startups that are coming out of it, so that they can try and get as much early traction as possible. Recently we've been doing more events than, scaling up quite a bit. In the last 8 weeks we've done about 20 events, and Startup Weekend has been in existence for 2.5 years, and in that time span we've done right around 65 events total. So nearly a third of what we've done in 2.5 years has been done in the last 8 weeks. So spreading across Europe, making a push to do more things in Europe. So we've been in London, Paris, Berlin, Munich, Vienna, planning events in Dublin, Barcelona, Helsinki, Stockholm, Copenhagen, going to Tel Aviv next week. Just finished an event in Paris last week, so we are getting pretty busy and trying to do multiple events in conjunction with each other. So right around 10 events on the same weekend in different countries and cities around the world. It provides a really interesting dynamic. We've even had teams as far as San Francisco joining another team in Cleveland, Ohio in the States, which is about 2,000 miles. Those two cities are about 2,000 miles away from each other, and had a developer writing code in California for a team in Ohio. So pretty exciting stuff happening, and it's really fun to see all that collaboration happening real time on the web with the attendees in physical settings. So right now we are planning Copenhagen, Helsinki, Stockholm at least, and so we're setting the bar even higher. We're planning 10 cities that weekend, April 9th. So we're going to have to take a look at the map and the timetable for 7 other cities, try and concentrate a lot in Northern Europe in the Nordic area, have that be a big weekend for that area. And the website cities will be Copenhagen.startupweekend.org, Helsinki.startupweekend.org, Stockholm.startupweekend.org, and more information, of course, can be found on the main site of startupweekend.org.